Okay, so the first part of this build is going to be putting the new bearings onto the crank. I have one bearing here. They are sealed bearings, but just pop the seals off so they don't disintegrate, and they're a lot smoother than the cheap Chinese ones. So here's our new bearing. Pop the seals out. You just need something sharp, like a little screw here I'm using. Pretty much just put it right along the edge. Put tip in there. Just pop it up, just like that. There's your seal. Now you can do the other side. And there's your bearing without any seals on it. And now we're ready to put it on the crank here. Like I said in one of my other videos, that I'm going to have to replace this. As you can see, the crack, it's chipped out here and it goes all the way around to the other half. So we're going to have to replace that cover, but I can do that later. So the bearings are just a press fit that are a pretty loose press fit actually. You can stick them on like that, and then you can use a socket to set them down in. So just get a socket that fits on the outer race of the bearing. You don't want to really hit on the inner race or the balls. Just tap it down and seat it into place. Should be down in. Okay, that one's in. Now our other bearing. This one might be a little tighter. Once it's on straight, it should get down in pretty easy. Just like that. And that's seated, and it's going to work a lot better. One thing about these bikes is they're known for their vibrations. Like in the top end, they vibrate a lot. So hopefully all these higher quality parts will help cut some of that down. There we go. The new bearing is installed there. Hey guys, welcome back. Going to be doing another video here on the engine build. We're going to be painting the crankcase and the cylinder head. I don't have the cylinder yet, so I can't paint that yet. The paint I am using is Rust-Oleum engine enamel. You want the gas and oil resistance, otherwise as soon as you get one drop of gasoline on your engine, it will totally ruin the paint job. So you make sure you get the engine enamel. This stuff is rated for 500 degrees, so it should be good for this job. We don't need to paint this area here, but we do need to paint the outside. So let's get started on that. And there you go. You can see that's all painted. We're going to have to do the cylinder head and other side of the crankcase. So stay tuned for the next part.